Sterling Machinery is proud to offer this used 25-inch by 120-inch SMTW cylindrical grinder. This grinder comes complete with an automatic intermittent feed, a 4-jaw chuck, an open-type steady rest, coolant system, an auto lube system, and extra grinding wheels. This heavy-duty cylindrical grinder has a 25-inch maximum grinding diameter, 118-inch distance between centers, and it supports a 2,640-pound workpiece. The grinding wheel speed is 890 RPM, with 122 maximum table travel.
Could you adjust the speed again for me? Just turn it down a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Now go ahead and turn it back up.
This machine comes with table-type wheel dressers and runs on a 25 horsepower motor.
Can you hit the direction? There you go, the other way. There you go. Do that, bump that a couple of times so I can show them it's in. There you go. Okay, go ahead, one more time. There you go, that's fine. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.